Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my brows. I already have my lashes applied, and we're just gonna pop some gloss on these lips. So before we get started, I did all the legwork for you guys. So if you want to purchase anything that you see in this video, I got everything from Temu. So I do have all these products listed down in the description box below in my storefront. So you can go down there and just click on each and every product that you can just add it to your cart. Back to the video. To start out on these brows, I have very sparse brows. As you can see, I only have the front portion of my brows, and I do intentionally go in and shave off the tail ends of my brows because they grow in a downward motion, and I like my brows to go in an upward motion to give me a more brighter, open eye effect. Going in, like I said, with this brown pencil. Now this is in the color dark brown, as I already stated, and I'm just carving out my brow and trying to get them to the desired look of my choice. And I do just like to go in with the pencil and just give that upward motion, couple hair-like strokes in an upward motion, and I fill in the brows accordingly. Now I absolutely go for the ombre effect. Ombre meaning where I'm buffing out the front end of my brows. I want that to be the lighter portion and graduate into a medium dark, into a dark at the very tail end. So as you can see, I am outlining the bottom of the brow, and that's what's going to make the brow pop. Now I go in with a darker pencil because that will make the brow pop right before you do the sculpting with your Pro concealer. Next, you want to go ahead and get your spoolie, and you want to buff that area out. You don't want any harsh lines or anything going on in your eyebrows. You want to make sure everything is ombre from light to dark in an even transition. So go ahead and feather out the front of that brow, making sure everything is as you want it to look. Moving right along to the next brow, we are going to do the same exact thing. Now this thing is very beginners friendly. It's super simple. Anybody can really do this. If you have to stop or pause this video in order to really see what I'm doing in detail, then go ahead and do so. But I want you girls to get your brows as twinning as possible. I don't do the sister brows. I like my things to look identical. I want identical brows, not sisters. So this is me really controlling the brush, really controlling the pencil, and making sure my brows are sitting evenly. The density of the brows are even, the thickness of the brows are even, and then you want to make sure the arch starts to slope at its high peak at the same time on both brow. That is very crucial in creating a twin brow, not a sister. Oh yeah, I'm showing y'all this glammed out makeup kit that I got. These are brushes I ordered off of Temu. These things are so super duper cute. The bling on these brushes are amazing. The detailing is so cute. I gotta get me a brush holder for these things. But next we're gonna go ahead and start sculpting these brows. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This color has been around for years, probably a decade and a half. That's how long I've been seeing girls using this color, and I still use it. You know, like I say, I'm a baddie on a budget, honey. So this is just what I'm doing. All right. When I first started out with this concealer, I went ahead and lifted my brows. You can see my pinky is on top of my brow at the highest point of the brow, and I actually lifted the brow up, and that's just going to make, it's just going to allow my brush that I'm using to give a really close tight arch underneath that brow. That is my reasoning for lifting it. Now you can probably still get the same effect without lifting it, but it's just become habit for me. I've been doing my brows for years, and that's just how I put, you know, how I conceal or sculpt my underbrow. Going over top the brow, same thing, just adding some more product. I'm sorry, I ain't going over top of the brow, not in this one. I actually went over to the next brow, but we're gonna do the same thing. Just trying to sculpt up underneath, still with that pinky finger, lifting that brow up to create the highest arch possible. Yes, ma'am. Then I'm just gonna clean up the brow with some more product. All right, we're going right over top of these brows with the same concealer that I concealed at the bottom, which I shouldn't have done because I don't like that halo brow. I really don't like my brow looking extra ghostly on the top. I should have went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. That's what I should have went in with, which is my foundation color that I use on a daily, because I want my brows to look as natural as possible without that halo brightness over top. So the next time I do this eyebrow tutorial, create another eyebrow tutorial, I will be using my foundation color to sculpt out the top of the brow. And that's just going to clean up the brow and make it look as natural as possible without having that extra brightness over the top of the brow. As y'all can see right here, I did kind of like bring some of the concealer into the brow. Yeah, right there. I did it twice. But I went in and I corrected the mistake, and the brow still turned out bomb as ever. All right, going over to the next brow. Concealing again with that harsh fawn color when I should have used my Maybelline, baby. Next time it's going down. I'm gonna make sure I have it perfect the next time, but it's still giving what it's supposed to be giving. All right, going into my the same brush kit, I'm grabbing this nice fluffy brush, and I'm just going to buff out that concealer up underneath there and kind of fade it away, because this is like an everyday look. You kind of want a nice brow, nice sculpted brow, but you want a clean top lid, eyelid. So you want to go ahead and buff that harsh line out. You don't want the concealer to just be sitting over top of your brows or sitting under your brows all day, and it's just staring everybody in the face. That's the first thing they see when they look at you. No, ma'am. Go ahead and get a fluffy brush, nice enough and compact enough to go over top of the brow as well as up underneath the brow. Make sure y'all buff out the product. Buff as long as you have to buff in order for the product to actually go into the skin and look as smooth as possible. Yes, ma'am. I'm giving y'all all type of face right here. Y'all see it. Next. On to the next. All right, just doing the same thing, and that's just gonna buffing it in too is going to combat some of the oils over top the eyelid. I do have oily eyelids for some reason, not sure why, but to mask that, a great idea is to go with translucent powder or some kind of setting powder and just tap that right over top the eyelids, making sure you cover up your lashes, because you don't want to get any product or powder over top your lashes. So put something, a finger, whatever, anything you got to cover up your lashes before you dust your eyelids with powder. Cover your bar. Fire, y'all. Can y'all see the brows is fire? They on point. They sitting straight. They kind of give it all type of twinning effects. I do see some indentations in areas that I don't want indentations in, so I am going to go back with my pencil and on the other brow as well. See, I can see them. Once you do them, you take a little step back, you can see where there's product that's needed. And yeah, this is a natural look, y'all. So to top it off, I'm going in with this Broadway lip gloss. Another goodie. Just something to put on them lips. It's an everyday look. You got your brows popping. You got your amazing lashes on. If y'all want some details about these lashes, drop me a comment down in the comment section below. And if y'all want to see a lash tutorial on how I apply lashes, I could make a video for y'all too, but y'all got to let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all like this video, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Like, share, and comment to it. Yes, ma'am, I'm giving y'all a type of face right now. Check out the brows, check out the lashes, and if y'all like it, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.